Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. Let's get started. This is gold daily chart. As you can see, gold is trading around 1842.43. Yesterday gold went to test around 1830. But then if you remember, yesterday I have given you support of $1,828. Gold again respected that support and bounced back once again. If you remember yesterday's video, I have given you resistance of 1845. Gold again tested again 1844 and still reluctant to break the resistance of 1845. Today we have consumer confidence data around 8:30 p.m. So keep an eye on that. We are just nearly 36-37 hours away from new Federal Reserve press conference. So stay very cautious and trade with very strict stop loss. The levels are same as yesterday. 1845 will act as resistance if gold break and sustain at least 30 to 60 minutes above 1845. Then expect 1850 and 1860. Support is still intact at 1828. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect 1820 and 1810 in gold. Currently gold is in weak zone till it is holding below 1845. So trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver. Yesterday in my morning video, on my video which I made on this channel, I gave you a support of 2395. This is 2395. It broke that support and tested nearly 2355. When I was live streaming in evening on my streaming channel, I have given you a support of 2350. It respected that support and bounced back up to $24 after that. Currently trading around 2383. Silver support is still intact. Resistance need to be changed a little bit. Now 2415. That will act as resistance now. If silver break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 2440 and 2470. Support is still intact at 2350. A very important support. If silver break and sustain below this support, then expect $23 and $22.70. Currently silver is also trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. These are the levels I have updated on my streaming channel. While streaming, you can also join me for live streams 6:45 to 7:45 Indian timing. Streaming channel link is in description. These levels are not valid today, so we will just tweak them. Let's have a look at resistance and support first, then we will discuss about the trend. 85.10, that is the resistance today. If crude oil break and sustain above this resistance, then expect $86 and $87. Support at 82.70. If crude oil break and sustain below this support, then expect $82 and $81. Currently crude oil is trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to forex. First we will see euro. This is euro. Yesterday dollar index tested above 96 and euro crashed and tested below 1300. It made low around 1290 and then since then it is trying to bounce back. From 1290 it tested around 1335. Now trading at 1315. It is trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support in euro today. 1340. That will act as resistance now. If euro break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1370 and 3800. Support at 1280. Below the support, expect 1250 and 1220. Currently, euro is trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound. Yesterday it tested around 34.40. It has crashed badly since yesterday and still it is trading in weak zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support in British pound. 35.10, that is the resistance in British pound today. If pound break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 35.40 and 35.80. Support at 34.30. Below this support, expect 3400 and 33.50. Currently, British pound is trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to cryptos. This is Bitcoin. These are the levels I have given in my live stream yesterday. Market more or less have entered in positive zone, so let's tweak the levels. Support now stands at $34,500. Resistance, however, at $37,100. Trend have entered in positive zone. It have given a very smart recovery from 33,000 to 37,000. So that recovery have helped Bitcoin to enter in positive zone. So Bitcoin have turned from negative to positive. Let's move on to Ethereum, then we will see Indian market levels. These are the levels from yesterday's video. I have given you a support of $2120. If you remember it, I have given you these supports in my live stream. 2120 was the support and the market have fired back from 2157. I hope you have enjoyed this support. If you want to see more this kind of resistance and support, do join me for live stream 6:45 to 7:45 on my streaming channel. Support resistance have changed, so let's change them now. Support now stands at $22.45. Resistance have changed, 26.10 now. Trend is positive, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian market levels now. MCX Gold resistance stands at 48,700 rupees. MCX Gold support stands at 48,410 rupees. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. 5 p.m. levels can be seen in community post. You can also check copper, zinc and natural gas level in community post by clicking the join button. Let's move on to MCX Silver. It is trading 64,000 rupees. MCX Silver support stands at 63,200 rupees. MCX Silver resistance stands at 64,750 rupees. Make sure you watch 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description.
The video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signals, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.